To carry out interactions with other people and companies, you'll be using the internet. To start using the internet, you will left-click this Windows icon at the bottom left of the screen, sometimes known as the Start button, and within the menu option, you will move your mouse and then move the scroll bar down until you see an option called Microsoft Edge. As mentioned on an earlier video, if you can't see Microsoft Edge, you might need to look for Internet Explorer within the list instead. As you're going to be using this a lot, there are two things that I want you to do to make it easier to access this program later on. Firstly, you're going to hold down the left button on your mouse and drag the program to the black screen here. Secondly, if you then drag it again to the desktop and let go, in the future, you won't need to use the Start button, but just double left click on the icon displayed on the desktop instead. After selecting Microsoft Edge, you're presented with your website homepage, which on this occasion shows me a website with lots of articles and information that I might find useful. From here, if you then wanted to navigate to a specific website, you can type something into the top bar. This is known as the website address or the URL address. For example, if I wanted to have a look at the BBC website, I can type in BBC and then press on the Enter key, sometimes referred to as the return key on the keyboard. This will then open up a search engine website, which will provide me with a list of websites that closely match the text that I've typed in at the top. For example, this website is Bing, and I can see at the top a link through to the BBC website. If I then left click here on the BBC text, it will take me through to the BBC website.